Industrial transformation discussions often center on automation and artificial intelligence, but the real differentiator in modern manufacturing is data discipline. Most facilities don't need more algorithms. They need cleaner, contextualized, high-fidelity operational data. AI without structured data simply scales confusion. The shift underway is from reactive control systems to true operational intelligence. Traditional PLC-driven automation executed rules and triggered alarms, but it didn't learn. Data-driven manufacturing captures granular, time-stamped information, machine speeds, torque, downtime causes, load conditions, allowing teams to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies invisible to human observation. Optimization requires measurement, and simulation requires accurate capture. Technologies like smart overload relays are transforming from protective devices into data hubs, continuously reporting performance variables that enable predictive maintenance. This moves organizations from emergency downtime to planned intervention, a measurable financial advantage. Metrics like OEE also evolve in this ecosystem. Rather than serving as historical scorecards, they become predictive levers. With clean data, manufacturers can simulate adjustments and discover optimal production conditions before physically changing equipment. Data also clarifies root causes. Instead of replacing hardware based on assumptions, diagnostic insight can reveal behavioral or process issues, reducing capital waste. Importantly, data-driven environments elevate people rather than replace them. When repetitive monitoring is automated, engineers can focus on optimization and innovation. Ultimately, becoming data-driven is cultural, not technological. It requires disciplined data collection, architectural integrity, leadership transparency, and a willingness to confront reality. AI is a tool. Data is the fuel. Culture is the engine.